In this video, we're diving into a direct comparison of Unbounce versus ClickFunnels to answer one burning question: which one is the best landing page software? Both of these platforms claim to help you create high-converting landing pages, but which one is truly worth your time and money? Let's break it down. First thing, let's talk about the user experience. With Unbounce, it's all about simplicity. The platform offers a drag-and-drop builder that is intuitive, especially for beginners. You can start creating landing pages right away, and it comes with plenty of pre-designed templates. However, while it's simple to use, some users feel the learning curve kicks in when you want more advanced features. For those looking for flexibility, Unbounce can sometimes feel a bit limiting. On the other hand, ClickFunnels offers an entire funnel building system, so it's not just landing pages. It's designed for marketers looking to create entire sales funnels, from lead capture to the final sale. You'll find everything from email sequences to payment integrations. However, for someone who just needs a simple landing page, ClickFunnels can feel like overkill and the interface can be a bit cluttered. Next thing, let's talk about customization. Unbounce has the upper hand here with its more advanced options. You can create highly customized landing pages, adjust your layouts, and tweak every detail. It's the platform for marketers who want complete control. But here's the thing, for some, all those options might be overwhelming, especially if you're just starting. ClickFunnels, by comparison, is a bit more restrictive. The templates are nice, but you might find yourself boxed in when it comes to customization. If you want to create something that doesn't fit their predefined funnel structure, it can be a bit tricky. However, for most users, the pre-built templates are more than enough, and the software takes care of most of the heavy lifting. The fourth thing we need to consider is pricing. Unbounce offers a range of pricing plans that scale with your needs, starting with a basic plan and moving up from there. However, it's on the pricier side, especially when you start adding more features. For anyone on a budget or just starting out, Unbounce can be a tough sell. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, is also a premium service, but its pricing includes more than just landing pages. You're paying for the full funnel building experience. The base plan is quite expensive, and the more advanced features come with a hefty price tag. It's worth it if you need a comprehensive funnel builder, but if you only need a landing page tool, it might feel like you're paying for more than what you're using. Now, let's talk about integrations. Unbounce does a great job of connecting with various apps and services like Google Analytics, HubSpot, and MailChimp. It allows you to connect everything you need to track your page's performance, making it ideal for users who want to keep everything in one place. ClickFunnels also offers a solid set of integrations, but it does focus more on its own ecosystem. This can be a double-edged sword. On the one hand, everything is neatly bundled together, but on the other, it can feel like you're locked into their platform, and external integrations may require additional work. The last thing to consider is support. Both platforms offer customer support, but ClickFunnels has a more robust offering with a dedicated support team and a large community of users. Unbounce, while good, doesn't have the same level of community engagement. However, if you prefer self-service options, Unbounce's knowledge base is comprehensive. Now, after trying both platforms myself, I'll say this: both Unbounce and ClickFunnels are great for building landing pages, but neither is perfect. They each have strengths and weaknesses, depending on your needs. But here's the kicker: if you're looking for an even better alternative, I recommend checking out the link in the description. Through our exclusive offer, you'll get the best free trial with benefits that aren't available anywhere else. It's an option that's perfect if your goal is to create high-converting landing pages, and it might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Don't miss out on that opportunity. Check the first link in the description for more details.